Yes, my name is Emmanuel Ochayi, a resident golf professional of Ibom Icon and Golf Resorts. This morning, I want to show you how to hit a proper golf shot. And where I will be concentrating is the waist transfer and the club head. The both of them goes together for you to hit a proper and sustainable and a wonderful golf shot. If you look at the club head, if you look the driver, if you look the angle of the driver, you're supposed to hit, this is the sweet spot. This is called the sweet spot. This is where you're supposed to hit the ball from. And if it doesn't have the right angle, if you don't have the right swing, if it doesn't have the right waist transfer and the right club head, you will not be able to hit it. And if you're not able to hit it here, you will not be able to gain distance. So come with me and see how I'll be able to show you how to be able to hit a good golf shot with the waist transfer. Good. I've been taking your way, your alignment. Yeah. Okay, now I see the ball, ready to hit the golf shot. Yeah. Now, if you look at it, I've taken my alignment. This is my address. I've addressed the ball, standing in the right position. Remember, the three factors of golf comes to play, the three fundamentals. They call it fundamentals, but I call it foundation because everything about golf revolves around those three things. And what are they? The grip, the posture, and the swing. And you see, I've taken my grip. I'm there with my posture. For me to be able to hit a good golf shot now, I need to have a perfect golf swing. And now I'll be able to have a perfect golf swing is to look at the waist transfer and the club head. Now, taking the waist transfer now from this angle, remember when you are going back, your left hand take charge. The right hand is like a supporting man. And the left hip go with the left club, the left hand when you are taking your back swing. Now this is it. You see the transfer now? I'm transferring my weight from here to this place. And you see the way I transfer it? Beautiful. Now where I'm concentrating on now is for me to be able to transfer it back. And for me to be able to transfer it back, this is at the saturated point. This is where the club head is staying. This is saturated point. For me to be able to hit a good golf shot now, the right hand will take charge. The left hand now will be like a supporting striker when coming to hit the ball. Let me borrow the word in football, like a supporting striker. Now I want to hit the ball. Now see my waist transfer now. You see? For me to be able to hit a golf shot, this club head and the hip must go together. Very, very important. This is where you have the peeling of the ball. This is where you come to compress the ball. Because it's like somebody holding the club head there. If it is wrong, if you take this, and that is where most amateurs get it wrong, they always do this. There's no waist transfer. For me to be able to hit a good golf shot, I'm in this angle, the next thing is the waist transfer. You see? They go together. They go simultaneously for you to be able to hit a golf shot. So there at that angle at the saturated point, the next thing that follows is this. And they go together. It's like somebody holding your club and you are dragging it back for you to be able to hit it. So you need to drag it down and you peel it. So come with me and see how you're able to hit some golf shots. Now I've taken my alignment, I'm taking my address, I'm coming to peel the ball now. I'm coming to compress the ball now. When I get to the saturated point, watch when I get to the saturated point what happened to my waist transfer. Remember, you don't give what you don't have. I'm transferring my weight from the left side to the right side. Now I now need to transfer it coming down all the way. Now at this saturated point, the next thing that follows, remember, is this. This is the movement. This is the movement. And I go now, watch me do some. If you put all those two things together, the waist transfer and you look at the club head, and the both comes together, believe me, you eat a proper, a sustainable, and a wonderful golf shot. Take your time and go through this video, and I tell you, you will not regret going through it because your game will improve. Thank you. See you in my next video. Good morning.